24 terabyte,
What's the GPU you said?
4070.
4070. So, oh, and it has dual. I saw that it has a
Triple.
dual 3. Oh,
3 by
shoot.
8, 24.
This is amazing. I like that.
24 terabyte on
that
a
is-
laptop.
That's sick.
24 terabyte. I tell you, nobody has that.
No. There's
And-
only, I would say 2 only, but now 3 with you.
And then 96 2 by 48.
96 to 548. Which system is this one? This one here? We're looking at?
this one.
Fast charging or same USB Type C? Or what are we
No,
looking
this
at?
is higher wattage, so you use a
Oh,
standard
the connection,
power
yeah.
connector.
Now, cooling
Chinese
chamber?
Oh yeah.
Cooling chamber?
No, this is a triple
Fence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is what. So this is our take on AI PCs, right? Because people, reality is NPU will not do anything. You need a GPU because everybody uses CUDA anyway for that code. But what you need is memory and
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.